Ever since the days of the caveman, we've had a fascination with fire. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about adding a fiery element to your backyard entertaining right after this. Don't let Old Man Winter sneak into your house this season. Seal the gaps with weatherization products from Duck Brand. With our Keep the Cold Out giveaway, now through November 11th, you could win winter weatherization products valued at more than $70. Window insulation kits, door sweeps, expanding foam, and more. Everything you need to keep your house warm and energy efficient in the cold weather. Visit Today's Homeowner on Facebook and look for the pinned post to enter. Brought to you by Today's Homeowner and Duck Brand. Chilly weather has a habit of shutting down any outside entertainment, but the party can go on as long as it's around the campfire. For most homes, a backyard blaze isn't very practical unless you take advantage of an outdoor fire pit. Much like a miniature fireplace, a fire pit is a great way to add warmth and ambience to any outdoor gathering. Kits are available that contain everything you need to build one yourself. Most of these include a metal bowl for the fire along with stones to create the fire surround. Simply find a level part of the ground, a safe distance from any combustibles, place your first course of stone in a circle, then apply a polyurethane adhesive on top for the next course to stick to. Once it's done, break out the s'mores and enjoy. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.